How to sign in WhatsApp on iPhone 2026. So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to sign in WhatsApp on iPhone 2026. So for that, what you have to do is go to your Apple App Store, then find WhatsApp and then download it to your device. Now once you've downloaded it, open the app and then tap agree and continue to accept the terms of service. Since I was already using this number, that's why you can see it on my screen that it is asking to use same old number or use a different number. For you, tap use a different number. Now enter your country code and then enter your number here. Then tap next. Now you will receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS or a phone call. Enter that code into the app to verify your device. And if you're prompted, tap restore chat history to retrieve your previous messages from iCloud. Now type your name and then choose a profile picture and then tap done to finish. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.